Good morning class 4. Today we will revise the chapter 3 and the name of the chapter is the Northern and the Coastal Plains. Subject Social Science. So what we have learned about? We have learned about the plains and what are the northern plains and how they were formed and these plains why they were so fertile, and we have learned about the rivers and the tributaries they form the northern plain. So which river? Like the river Satluj, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra river and their tributaries they form the northern plains. And we learn about the river basin. So what are basin? A basin is an area watered by a river and its tributaries. So what do you mean by the term tributaries? Means a small river that join the big river that is called the tributaries. So there are three river basin, that is the Satluj river basin. We have already learned in the first revision of chapter 3 that it origin of the river Satluj, that is in Tibet. Satluj river originates in Tibet and the main tributary of the river Satluj, that is the Beas, and the state which are part of this river basin, Satluj river basin, that is the Punjab and Haryana. Punjab and Haryana are the states that are part of the Satluj river basin, and the dam built on this river Satluj, that is the Bhakra dam, and it is in which state? It is in the Himachal Pradesh, and in which district? In Bilaspur, and in which village? That is the Bhakra village. Now these Bhakra dam it generate electricity and provide water for irrigation. Now what we have learned? We have learned about the Ganga river basin, the origin of the river Ganga, that is the Gangotri glacier in the Himalayas. Means it originates, the river Ganga originates from the Gangotri glacier in the Himalaya, and the main tributary of the river Ganga, that is the Yamuna, and the states that were the part of this Ganga river basin, that is the Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Now what do you understand by the Ganga river? The Ganga river basin. Okay, the Ganga river that is 2500 km long and it is the largest river of the India. Which river? That is the river Ganga. It is the largest river of India and it originates from Gangotri glacier in the Himalaya, and the basin is the largest basin. Which basin? That is the Ganga river basin is largest from the three river basin, that is the Satluj river basin, the Ganga river basin and the Brahmaputra river basin. So which one is the largest? So this Ganga river basin is the largest basin and it watered by river Ganga and its tributaries. Okay, it watered by the river Ganga and its tributaries. So Yamuna is the main tributary and the other tributary like Gandak, Kosi, Son, okay, Gomti. So these are the tributaries of the river that is the Ganga. And in West Bengal, the river is split in two branches. Okay, so in West Bengal, here in West Bengal, the Ganga river, that is split in two branches. One branch enter Bangladesh and it's called Padma and it joined the Brahmaputra. The other branch flow through West Bengal and is called Hooghly. Okay, so what are the branches in West Bengal, the river Ganga. Okay, so in West Bengal the river is split in two branches. Okay, in West Bengal the river is split in two branches, that is, one is the river Hooghly and one is Padma. Okay, Padma river, it flows in where it enters, when it enters in the Bangladesh, it is called Padma, means West Bengal. In West Bengal the Ganga river is split in two branches, that is, one branch enter in Bangladesh. Okay, one branch enter in Bangladesh, and the river that its name is in Bangladesh, what the Ganga river called, that is the Padma. Okay, its tributary Padma. So when in Bangladesh the river is split in two branches, so in Bangladesh what is called, that is the river Padma. Okay, and it joined the river Brahmaputra. And other branch that flow in the West Bengal, that is called the Hooghly. Okay, now the third one is the Brahmaputra river basin. The third one is the Brahmaputra river basin. Now the origin. Okay, the origin of the river Brahmaputra, that is Tibet. Yes, the river Brahmaputra originates in Tibet. So which river originates in Tibet? That is the river Satluj and the river Brahmaputra. It originates in Tibet, and main tributaries, no. So we write just blend. Okay. Which step are part of these river basin? That is the Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. That is Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. These are the states that are the part of which river basin? That are the part of the Brahmaputra river basin. Okay, and the Brahmaputra is called Shyampo in Tibet. Okay, so it is called, what its name is, Shyampo in Tibet. Now what we learn? We learn about the Brahmaputra river basin, the origin of the river Brahmaputra, that is in Tibet, and there is no main tributary, and states which are part of this river basin, that is the Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Now, so which dam are in the river Satluj? That is the, which dam is built? That is the Bhakra dam. And the river Brahmaputra in Tibet is called the Shyampo, and the Ganga and the Brahmaputra river flow through the Bangladesh and form the largest delta in the world, that is called the Sundarban Delta. Okay, so what is the Ganga and the river Brahmaputra flow Bangladesh and form the largest delta in the world. That delta is called the Sundarban Delta. Which river form? The river Ganga and the river Brahmaputra river flow through Bangladesh and form the largest delta, that is called the Sundarban Delta, which is the largest delta in the world. Now, life in this region. Now our next topic what we revise, that is the life in that region, that is the Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Assam, that lie in this northern plains. So Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, that is Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, all these lie in the northern plain. So the life in that region. So first one, that is which state? That is Punjab. Now, the life in that region means Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, that lie in this northern plain. So the main occupation, okay, so what the main occupation of the people? That is the farming, because the land of these plain area are very fertile. So the main occupation of the people, that is the farming is the main occupation, and people grow what type of crop? That is the rice, wheat and sugar cane. Okay. Now what we'll discuss about the Punjab. First, Punjab. The farmers of Punjab used modern machines such as tractors and harvesters. Okay, so the farmers of the Punjab, they use the modern machines in agriculture. That what they use the machine like tractor, okay, and the harvesters. Now people are fond of makke ki roti and sarson ka saag and lassi. Okay, so people are fond of which dishes? That is the makke ki roti, sarson ka saag and lassi. They celebrate what festival? Yes, they celebrate Baisakhi and Lohri. And the popular folk dance of Punjab, that is Bhangra and Gidda. Many tourists visit the Golden Temple in Amritsar. So, Punjab, okay. Now, dance, okay. Popular dance, we make a table. So, you easily learn. Popular dance, people fond of festivals. So, dance, that is मक्के की रोटी एंड सरसों का साग एंड लस्सी. Okay, and festival they celebrate Baisakhi and Lohri. Okay, and the farmers use what they use modern machines like tractors and harvesters. Okay, so you can easily understand what are the popular dance. Okay, so the dance form, the popular dance, that is the bhangra and the gidda. People were fond of makke ki roti, sarson ka saag and lassi. And the festival they celebrate Baisakhi and Lohri, and the farmers they use modern machines like the tractors and the harvesters. Now, and the tourist attraction place, that is where we write, that is, yes, the tourist attraction place. Tourist attraction place, that is the Amritsar, Golden Temple in Amritsar. That is in Amritsar, what is there? There is Golden Temple. So it attracts many tourists. Clear? Now the second one is the Haryana. Okay, that is the Haryana. So in Haryana, like the farmers of the Punjab, they also use the modern machines in farming, that is the tractors and the harvesters. Okay, so the same thing in Haryana, farmers also use the modern machines in agriculture, that is the farmers in Haryana they use the tractors and the harvesters, okay, for farming. And the second thing is many people engaged in cattle rearing and dairy farming. Some people are engaged in farming, and second is the cattle rearing and dairy farming. We talk about the Haryana. Which state? That is the that is Haryana. And the farmers of Haryana they use the modern machine in farming, that is the tractors and the harvesters, and some people engaged in cattle rearing and some engaged in dairy farming. And Faridabad and Gurugram have many industries such as information technology and automobiles. Now, which state? That is the Faridabad and Gurugram. That is the Gurugram. These are the industrial area. These are, what is this? These are the industrial area. Industrial area means there are many industries in that. Yes, there are many industries in that area. That is the Faridabad and Gurugram. And the industries like many IT industries and many automobiles industries are there in Faridabad and in Gurugram. So, what do you understand about? Yes, which state? That is the Haryana. And some the farmers of the Haryana, they use the modern machine in agriculture, that is the tractors, harvesters, and some people engaged in cattle rearing and some engaged in dairy farming. And the two, yes, that is the Faridabad and Gurugram have many industries. Okay, so which industries? Like IT industries means information technology, and the automobiles industries are there in this state, that is the Haryana. Now next is next state is what? That is the National Capital Territory of Delhi. That is the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Most people here work in offices. So most people, they work in where? They work in offices, and many of them have their own business. Okay, so many of them have their own business, and many people work in offices. Delhi has many famous monuments. Okay, so such as, so what are the famous monuments? That is the Red Fort, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Humayun's Tomb, Jama Masjid, Lotus Temple, and Akshardham Temple, and Akshardham Temple. So in Delhi, some people, most of the people work in offices, and most of them have their own business. Okay, and what are there? There are many monuments. There are many famous monuments in Delhi. That is the Red Fort, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Humayun's Tomb, Jama Masjid, Lotus Temple, and Akshardham Temple. So what are the famous monuments in Delhi? That is Red Fort, Qutub Minar, and which temples? Lotus Temple, Akshardham Temple, and Humayun's Tomb, and Jama Masjid, India Gate. So these are the famous monuments in Delhi. Okay, so tourists from all over the world come to see these monuments. Okay, so the tourists from all over the world, that come to see these monuments such as Red Fort, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Humayun's Tomb, Jama Masjid, Lotus Temple, and Akshardham Temple. Clear? And most of the people, they work in offices, and some of them have their own business. Now Next is Uttar Pradesh. Next is what? That is the Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is famous for guavas and mangoes. There are many sugar, textile, leather and chemical industries. The chikankari embroidery of Lucknow, the silk sari of Varanasi and the brassware of Muradabad are popular all over the world. The Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years in Prayagraj, and the Agra, Varanasi and Lucknow are cities of tourist interest. So, what are the tourist attraction places in Uttar Pradesh? That is, it is famous for what? First, it is famous for guavas and mangoes. Guavas and mangoes, and that is the chicken curry, embroidery and silk sari, brassware. So these. So it is famous for Uttar Pradesh is famous for guavas, mangoes, chicken curry embroidery, silk sari and brass ware. Okay? And there are many industries like sugar, textile, chemical industries are located here. And Allahabad is famous for Kumbh Mela, and it is held in every 12 years in Prayagraj. Now, which are the famous places, tourist place of attraction? That is the Agra, Varanasi and Lucknow. So, my dear children, we will meet in the next video. Till then,